Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lakiswar YouTube channel. In this video, I am sharing how big data is useful for social media. Various social networking websites are producing new data per second, and it includes Twitter posts, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, etc. Such a huge volume of data is very useful in analyzing various trends in the market. For example, a product company can use the likes, unlike, share, comments, etc. on its product post to analyze the performance of its product. People are very active on the social network and they are sharing every minute information on their social network. This data is shared among their friends and group. Friends and group members further takes action on it and soon it becomes huge data set which can be analyzed for various trends and business decisions. For example, a post is viral and shared or comments by many people, then it can be quickly analyzed to see if this information can be used in business decisions. The data produced by social media is very huge. So if you see that report of Visual Capitalist, I will show that report list in the video description. You can watch it. So how much logins are per minute in the social medias for every internet minute. So this amount of data is very huge, which can be only be handled by big data technologies. Such a huge data generation is very fast, and big data enables companies of consume data at very high speed. Analysis of this data is also big challenges, and big data technologies are here to solve all the data processing problems. Big data technologies enable the social media to process data and present it to users in various formats. So big data technologies are the only widely used technique for handling and processing of such huge data sets. Big data enables the growth of social media as processing and storage capacity can be increased without any downtime. It can handle unlimited data and unlimited processing for social media industry. Big data also offers the machine learning technologies which can be used for making machine learning system which actually increases the intelligence of the whole system. So the Twitter is very popular social media and users around the world is posting around 6,000 tweets for every second. This data is gold mine and can be analyzed to produce very useful information. So big data technologies in influence the growth of social media by providing technologies, storage, processing and analysis power to the developers. So that's all about some of the information how big data is useful for social medias. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share to your friends and also give comments and like my videos. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.